Welcome to RIT Croatia and the beautiful city of Dubrovnik, which you've wisely chosen as the site of your next adventure. I'm Professor Rebecca Cherry-Roye. I'll be one of your course instructors and your program coordinator for your semester here with us. The first thing I have to say is congratulations on making an excellent choice for the next step in your life. Whether you've never been away from your home country before or whether you're already an experienced traveler, you're in for something new and exciting. Through the semester that you'll spend with us, you'll develop personally and academically. You'll have a chance to make new friends. You'll be pushed a little bit out of your comfort zone, but you'll certainly emerge from the end of this experience as a more thoughtful, creative, and independent person. As you can probably tell from my accent, I'm originally from the United States, but Dubrovnik is now my home. I really love living here, and I hope that you will too. Whether you're interested in culture, history, nature, food, music, Dubrovnik has something for you. I'll be teaching your Research in Cultural Context course, and to get ready for that, we'll have a 2-week online orientation and introduction section with some readings and activities that'll help us get to know each other, set some goals for the program, and start thinking about what cultural research really means. I'm really looking forward to seeing you soon here in beautiful Dubrovnik.